have 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Is there a counter? Ooh, exciting. I've already wasted 5 seconds. So, I have always found really cool numbers online, and some of them are graphed. You know, like my Twitter followers, I can subscribe to some random little websites, and they'll start graphing it for me. Or, you know, stock prices, those are being graphed. But there's also really cool numbers out there that people aren't graphing. So, what I built is a tiny little thing that you go to any web page that has a number on it, I'll fetch it once in a while, and make a cool, pretty chart. So what's a good one? This is an example I was building. So you go to top C and search for SHDH. Hopefully this is good. Okay, so we have 668 tweets. So, but we want to see how that number changes over time. You know, is it going up? Is the hockey stick actually happening for super happy? Oh, look at me. Nope. There we go. So you click create and you paste in the URL. And now you see a page that kind of looks like Topsy, except I'm proxying the page from my domain. So as you move your mouse around, I hover different little boxes. So you hover the box that you want to graph, which is over here. It's a good one. And you'll see it fills in. Yes, 673 is the number I just pulled. You can put in an OpenID if you like to own that thing. Name it, you know, what is it, SHDH links from Twitter. And I'll make you a nice fancy name. You can say superhappydevhouse, whatever, house links from Topsy. No, whatever. Fine, from Twitter. All right, gets the URL. I can fix up the XPath if that's what I want. I can change, you know, if it's graphing once an hour. If I know that, you know, you don't want to abuse my server, you can definitely do it every 24 hours, but you can go for 1 hour. Everything looks good. Yes. Oh yes, I get to sign in for my OpenID. See, OpenID works. How cool is that? How cool. And there we go. So now if you visit this pretty URL that we made by naming it, over time you'll start seeing it go up and down and make nice little graphs. Yeah, everybody tweet. It's gonna fetch in an hour, but you know, it'll look great in an hour. It'll look great. So you can see all of the previous. Whoa, this looks great on Chrome. Awesome. You can see some of the. Chrome wasn't out when I built it. It was, but I didn't care. Now it's carable. Now it's at the size that it's carable. So if someone wants to fix my CSS, let me know. You can see cool things that other people are graphing. So what is a neat thing that is? Oh, cedars. This is a kind of cool graph. So I picked a random thing. I wanted to keep an eye on online. And this is actually really cool. So I started graphing it in May. Yeah? So I started graphing it in May from Pirate Bay. And you can see when they shut down their tracker for a little while. And then you can see how the distributed hash table's doing for their cedar amounts. So you can actually get some pretty cool stats for any web page out there. As long as it's a number, I consume the web page and trying to transform it into pretty XML so that I can build an XPath. So some pages don't work. If a page doesn't work, you go down the bottom and you click comments, and then you send a really grumpy tweet at me, and I'll fix it. So, yeah, that's not actually at me, so I don't actually have it in my reputation. It's awesome. It's at WebNumbr. Cool things, you can get the output. So this is just a number page, which is good to have. There's tons of different output formats, so you can go like, you know, .rss. If I want to put that into my RSS feed reader, which Chrome doesn't render, okay. If I want it in JSON, you know, I want to start building other stuff, I can get an XML. There we go. Guess there's no closing tag. Those are overrated. And yeah, so let me know what you like. Let me know if you like it. Play with it. There are currently 232 different web numbers out there, so it actually is working and tracking stuff. So see what else you can track and let me know how you like it.